guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by my friend Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan, and it is another kitchen vignette challenge. I will be working on this tray because she wants it to be portable and I love using trays. I have a video on how I made this. I was totally going to use it for something else, but it's been working out really well on this dresser, which is in between my kitchen and my dinette. My kitchen's a bit of a mess, so don't look at that. That's a story for another time. But anyway, so I will be working on this, and some of the rules that she has are: it has to be on a tray, it has to have spring florals, a sign with words, something pretty, kitchen picture, etc. And that's it. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using this watering can that I had DIY'd, link it down below, and I am going to use it right in this corner for now, and then we'll kind of work around it. And in it I'm going to put my peonies. These came from Dollarama and I absolutely love them. I had gotten them last year, so this is the second year of me using them. Okay, then I think I'm going to put something lower over here. Not sure if I like this, but I'm gonna kind of play around with it. So I did really want to put this guy in here. As much as I do love my other lantern, I think this one might work a little bit better. Then I have also DIY'd this sign, which I will show you how I made it. So I'm just going to, I marked out where I want to cut. I just went 3 down and then 1 there and 1 there. They gave me the size that I need for this little sign that I'm making, and I'm going to just cut the wood. Okay, I'm going to give them a quick painting. I'm going to use my white acrylic paint. Okay, and then while this is drying, I'm just going to glue them together. Now I'm going to glue these pieces to frame it. So there we go. Some of these blocks aren't really the same size, but or the same height, but that's okay. You could also paint it if you want, the whole thing, but I'm just going to leave it as is. It is just a simple sign. Just going to take a little bit of a oh, I can actually just remove it with my hand, just a little bit of glue. There we go. And now you need a Sharpie, and I'm going to just draw a little design on it. I'm actually going to use these Sharpies. Okay, and that's it. Very simple and easy and $0, which is what I like. had made these little nests. Thought that would look good here. So I think my bunny's my little pretty, then there's my sign, and there is my floral. I would like to thank Denise for hosting this challenge. I love participating in it. It just gets my creative juices flowing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I do DIY decor type of videos several times a week, and make sure you press the notification bell as well, so that way you get notified when I do publish these videos. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy spring.